Hi, in this video we will learn how we can change the font size of header menu. So here you can see here is the header menu, same for the desktop version, and let me show you the mobile version also. So here is the mobile version and you can see the font size for the mobile version also. So in this case we are using Dawn theme. So here you can see here we have used a Dawn theme, and in the Dawn theme we don't have any sort of option to change the menu size. So for that you need to follow this blog. I have mentioned the blog link inside the this video description. So here you can see here we have mentioned all the instruction guidelines regarding that how you can change the font size of the menu header. So you need to copy this code and go inside the dashboard and click the themes, and inside that uh, themes you will find the publish one, and click the three dots and there you will find a button for edit code. Click that. It will take a second. And so this is the view for the edit code, and here on the left sidebar you will see that we have a drop downs, and in each drop down we have a lot of files. You need to go inside the assets, or you can simply type inside the search files. So you need to find for theme.css, or you need to find base.css file. So currently in this case all the css is written inside the base css file. Let me show you in assets directory. So here's the asset directory, and you will see that here we have the base.css file, and in that file you will need to paste this code which we have taken from that blog, and paste inside this file at the end. Click the save button, and now I am going to refresh the preview, and you will see the font size get updated. Same for the mobile version. Let me show you. So here you can see the font for the mobile version get also updated. So this is how you can update the font size for the mobile version and desktop version for the menus. So in order to change the uh, size, you need to edit this code. I mean, you can even type any of the number and you will see the results inside the preview button. Currently, we have set the font size to 20 px for desktop and 20 px for mobile version. So you can adjust it to your own need.